the little engine that could help out. Can you see the train? Here is the train. Is the train. What this? Cloud. Cloud. And this is the bike. The bike. What color is this bike? It's red and green. Bike. Can you ride on the bike? Cloud. Who is this? Cloud. Look at me, the little cloud says to the dolls and monkey. I can do tricks. I can walk on my hands. Where are your hands? Here, these are your hands. I can stand on a ball. Here, the cloud can stand on the ball. Who are they? They are dolls. Can you see the monkey? Monkey. Here is the monkey. Who is this? Train. Is the train. Train. Let's turn the page. Look at me, says the monkey. He hops on his bike. He hops on his bike. I wish I had a bike. The cloud says, my birthday is coming. I hope I get a bike. Bike. Can you point to the bike? Here is the bike. Look at this. The monkey is riding on the bike. Bike. The monkey is riding on the bike. Soon it is his birthday. Yes, the cloud gets a new bike from the train. Bike, where's the bike? Bike? Here is the bike. Bike. Train, train and cloud. Here. Wow. There are some balloons. Can you count how many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balloons. And this is the bike. Bike. Who is this? Cloud. Cloud. These are dolls. These are dolls. This is the birthday cake with the candle on the top. Cake. Birthday cake. Can you sing a song? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, clown. Who is this? Train. Train. Can you turn the page? The clown jumps on the bike, but off he falls, so the clown tries again. Oops, he falls off the bike again. Look at this, the clown is falling down from the bike. The clown is not hurt, but he starts to cry. Ooh, I cannot ride. I do not like my bike, says the clown, and off he runs. The clown is crying. Ooh, the clown is crying. Oh, his tears come out. Here, this is the bike. The bike. I must help the clown, says the train. Choo choo. And off she goes. Chirp chirp. She looks by the barn. Is the clown there? Is clown in the barn? No. Yeah, this is the barn. Is the clown in the barn? No. Chirp chirp. She looks by the circus tent. Is the clown there? No. The clown is not in the circus tent. At last, There is the cloud by the trees on a swing. Do you want to play swing on the swing? Ah, swing, 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 swing. Is it funny? The clown is still sad. The clown is sitting on the cloud. The clown is sitting on the swing. And this is the train. Do not feel bad. The train tells the clown, it takes time to learn to ride a bike. Can you ride a bike? Ride, 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 ride. Can you ride the bike? Try again and say, I think I can, I think I can. Wow. Can you point to the clown? Clown, here. Who is this? Clown. Who is this? Monkey. Who are they? They are dolls. This is the train. Jerk, jerk. The clown gets on his bike. I think I can, he says, over and over. Yes, the clown is riding his bike. Look at me, says the clown. Wow, the clown can ride on his bike. Everybody laugh. Happy birthday, say the dolls. The dolls, the monkey, and the train. And then they all eat the cake. This is the birthday cake. Do you want to eat cake? It's so sweet. Clown, bike, monkey, monkey. Ooh. What does the monkey eat? The monkey eats bananas. The monkey eats bananas. What this? Ball is the ball. Can you kick the ball? Kick the ball, kick the ball, kick the ball. Can you kick the ball? Kick the ball, kick the ball, kick the ball. What this? Is the train. Choo choo, chug chug. Who are they? They are dolls. Do you want to play with the dolls? Dolls. Barn. What this is the barn. Trees. Birthday cake with a candle on the top. Here, this is the birthday cake. Tent is the circus tent. Book. We are reading books. Yes, this is the book. Swing. Do you want to swing on the swing? Swing. Wow, this is the window with the curtain. The window. Let's look at the window. What can you see? Duck. What does the duck say? Quack, 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 quack. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Duck. What this is the duck? Star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Star. What this? Bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. all through the tail. And this is the sun. Sun is hot. Oh, ouch, it's hot. Ouch, it's hot. This is the sun. The sun come up, 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 up. And the rain come down, down, down. Where's the sun? Yeah, it's the sun. Fish. Fish is a fish. Can you swim like a fish? Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Faster. Swim, swim, swim. Faster. Let's swim. Swim like a fish. Swim like a fish. This is the little fish. Dog is a dog. What does the dog say? Woo, 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 woo. This is a table. Table. Truck. Truck. What this? Truck. The truck can carry woods. Truck. What this? Apple. Do you want to eat apple? It's yummy. Do you want to eat apple? Eat. Cat. Cat. What does the cat say? Meow. The cat likes to eat fish. Meow, meow. What this? Bed. Bed. We are in our bed too. Bed. The end.